In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can export chat on your WhatsApp. So first of all, you have to select a person or chat whichever you want to export. Let's say I want to export chat of this person. So first of all, you have to open this chat and then you will find these three vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. So now you have to click on it. Then you will find all these options. So now you have to click on this export option. Then you will have an interface like this. So over here you will find an option called export chat. So now you have to click on it. And then if you want to export this chat without media, so then you have to click on it. And if you want to export all the chat with photos and videos, so you have to click on this include media. So over here I will click on without media. And then if you want to share this chat to anyone, you can share from here. And I will save this chat into my Google Drive like this. And after that you have to simply click on save. So that is how you can export your chat. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.